step forward, report to the lieutenant, line up there along the bulkhead. Ready? Second file line.
That will do. Single file. Stand here. The lieutenant will give you orders momentarily. This unit here, you will follow me. This unit here, follow them. This way, let's go.
So just so you know, I'm not talking so good. You just confirm me dressed.
Do yourself a favor and look down at your feet as often as you need to between now and then.
We'll be on blue. You'll be on. Turn around and face me, sympathizers.
This is useless whenever I tell you anything.
You're going to be on orange. Follow your instructions.
You are not my master.
Never said I was. Sympathizers, look down at your feet and memorize the colors that you are standing on. These colors are going to be violet. What was that? These colors are important for your interrogation, so do not forget them. Blue, you will enter first and go towards the back of your cell. Orange, this way. We'll see about that. Stay towards the middle of your cell.
Side to the side.
We are not traitors. He's much better.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
I still ain't talking.
Rescue. Let's go. Alright, once you see it, everyone in safety belts.
All right, now this is my friend R5. We went ahead and programmed your escape coordinates back to the 2. Are you ready?
Yes.
Perfect. All right, R5, I need you to go ahead and alert Finn. Let him know that the recruits are ready. When he sends you that transmission, you're going to go ahead and put it over on the screen. This is going to be your final mission briefing, all right? R5,
Okay.
take good care of him.
Thank you.
All right, R5, it's now or never. Go ahead and get that transmission up, please.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children.
What the?
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in section block 3.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod is just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad. The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Down the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Okay, you're clear.
Your escape routes came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for his pocket.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's
Wreckage?
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.